Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about reed diffusers. I'm sure many of you have reed diffusers at home, but you do not know how to use a reed diffuser properly. Reed diffusers are used when you want your room to smell really well, when you want a beautiful aroma to cover your house or to cover your room, and that over a period of time can be done by a reed diffuser. I have a reed diffuser from Miniso here, and these are the reeds. It was all tied up together, so I have separated a few of them, and we have the scent here, the oil here. So I will tell you how you can use a reed diffuser properly. First of all, many of us make this mistake. We just leave the diffuser on for many days and we do not know, we just put all the reeds inside our diffuser and then we just put it like that for many days. But that is going to make your reed diffuser finish off very easily, because the reeds here, these have absorbent properties. These actually absorb the oil inside this bottle, which has the scented oil, and this is absorbed by the reeds and then it just diffuses in your air. It diffuses the beautiful aroma in your air. So we make a mistake that we just put all the reeds together in the diffuser, but that is not to be done. You take your oil and just unscrew it, uncork it. So we have, you can see this is a cap which has a hollow in between, and I'll tell you why this has a hollow. Now we open the inside of the bottle and we just put this over here, and now our oil is ready to be used. This is from Miniso. This is the floral bouquet from Miniso. Now you have to use few of the reeds, not all of them, right? Like you have 6 reeds here, but we are not going to use all of them. We will just be taking half of it, that is 3 reeds, okay? And now we will just put all the reeds inside the diffuser, okay? I am using 3, you can use 4, but don't use all of them, because if you use all the reeds together, that is going to make your diffuser, that is going to make the oil in your diffuser to use off very easily. Now we will just keep it in our room, and I will tell you one secret thing. This is going to diffuse off the beautiful smell, the beautiful aroma for at least 30 days. Yes, you heard it right. This can be used for at least 30 days, 1 month, and maybe more than 1 month if you use it properly. That is, you do not use all the reeds together. Now why have they given all the reeds together, so many reeds? Because these, after some time, you can change the reeds also, or otherwise you can just use this also, because this has absorbed all the oil properly and this is going to diffuse it in the air. So that was the use of a reed diffuser. Now I will give a quick review on this reed diffuser, which is from Miniso, the floral bouquet. This is a 180 ml reed diffuser and I got this as a gift. Now I will tell you how this smells. This has really floral fragrances. It has rosewood, gardenia, jasmine and all the natural flowers, and it just spreads it in your room. It creates a beautiful environment, a romantic environment. It is quite luxurious. You will love this smell. I really love it. And I have used other diffusers from Miniso before this. Mostly Miniso reed diffusers start at a price range of 250, 300, 400, 450, 500. So they have a range of diffusers, and all of them are really nice. So if you are into good fragrances, if you like your home to be fragrant, if you like your bedroom or living room to be fragrant, this is a very good thing you can go for, a reed diffuser. And yes, another tip I would like to give you is that do not change the reeds every now and then, because do not change it very frequently, because that will make it not last long. After 1 week you can just reverse the reeds, that is, just take it out and just reverse it like this. But this you're going to do after a week, not before that. So that is going to make the fragrance, the oils to spread into your room properly. So that was my tutorial on how to use a reed diffuser properly, because many of you do not know how to use a reed diffuser. And thank you who had watched this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video and like this video. Do leave a comment below on how you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.